Welcome to The Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. One of the biggest drags I've witnessed in the development of high-performing teams is the mismatch between accountability and authority. If you're going to hold me accountable for the completion of a task, are you willing to give me the authority over the resources I require to do that task? What kinds of resource would I need? Human resources, including the right people with the right mix of skills, available in the right place at the right time. Material resources such as plant, equipment, tooling and parts. Access to all the necessary and sufficient information resources and technology platforms. The financial resources required to pay for all the other resources. And what kind of authority? For example, can I veto the appointment of someone onto my team? Just because an employee is hanging around collecting a paycheck, am I obliged to take them on? Do I get to have the unfettered ability to assign tasks to all of those assigned to me? What about people who don't report directly to me, but whom I depend on to get my work done? It's one thing to mouth platitudes about empowering your people. It's something altogether different to provide genuine authority over the resources required to acquit a task for which you hold a subordinate accountable. Paradoxically, the manager is always the one who is ultimately accountable for the work of the subordinate, especially if they've made a poor choice in selecting them in the first place. Accountability and authority are the flip sides of the coin of high performance. That's your tip for better ways to do better work and redefine what's possible.